Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing how I made this porridge yam. It is very much affordable and also easy to make. Do well to watch till the end to see how I made it. The first thing I'll be doing is to add water to my pot, and then I'm going to go in with my yam. For this recipe, I'll be using yam and potato, so not just porridge yam, it's also mixed with potato. Then I added some seasoning cubes, some salt to taste, my blended pepper, and also my onion. I'll just give this a good mix and let it to cook for some minutes. I did not add the potato here, and my reason is because the potato will cook faster than the yam, so I don't want to add it in this pot now. If not, it will overcook while our yam is not well cooked. So I'll be adding it later when I'm sure my yam is a bit cooked. Please remember to add enough water to this food when making yours, because you don't want a dry porridge yam. And here I just added the potato. And here I went in with the palm oil. I'll just give this a good mix before I'll close my pot and let it to cook for some minutes. You can always check your own. If you notice your own is not well cooked and the water is almost dried, do well to add more water. There's still water in the pot, and I want this to be a bit sticky, not watery. That's why I'm taking out some yam and also some potato to match. I'll just take a little water from the pot and mix with the yam and potato I took aside. I'll just match this together. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer it back to the pot. You can tell me what you think about this method. This is actually my first time of doing this, and it came out well. Yes, like I loved it. Instead of me having porridge yam that is looking too dry, this actually gave it a kind of moist look. Don't forget to like this video if you're watching this video now. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe to see more of my videos. And yes, that's all for this. If you have crayfish, you can do well to add crayfish. If you have scent leaf, you can also add your scent leaf. But like I said, this is an easy recipe. And our food is ready. Please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is totally free. And do well to like. You can also leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.